Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw a mermaid. Who likes
I
mermaids?
love mermaids.
I love mermaids too.
Have you seen one?
I have not seen a mermaid. Have you? But I watch movies with mermaids and read books.
I have two.
You have also? Yeah, like
Watched
The
a
Little
movie.
Mermaid.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so for the first part of the mermaid, let's start with the head. And instead of it being right at the center, because we have a tail that's going to be on this side, let's start a little bit on the top right corner, like around here. So for that, let's draw an oval shape. Let me show you. Something like that. Let's add a little details to the face. So I'm going to do some eyes, which are just two curvy shapes like that. And then some eyelashes, which are just curvy lines going up to the right and up to the left. And a little nose, which is a little tiny curve like that. And then for the mouth, we're going to have her smiling big. So we're going to have a straight line that goes across like that.
Like sad line.
And then we're going to connect it with a curve. Yeah, yours looks so happy. How about a couple little round cheeks? Okay. And then what we'll do after is we're going to come back and do the hair after we do a little bit of the rest of the body, okay? So what we'll do is we'll work on the neck and then we'll go down towards the arm. So for that, we're going to start on this side. We're going to make a curve and then we're going to go down like that, okay? Pretty long. Down and then make a curve going down towards the right side. Yep, and you can stop right there. Okay. And then let's actually come over here and let's do like the top of the mermaid going like that. So somewhere like right here, going in towards the left. Yeah, and just a little slight line towards the left. Yeah, and then let's go back to this side, to the left, and let's do the neck and the arm on the other side. So for that, we're gonna draw this line going out this way. So we're gonna go like this, and same way, we're gonna curve down till about there. And keep going down towards the left a little bit. Good. Yeah, right there is good. And then we're gonna stop, and then we're gonna go and do the, for over here, we're gonna, also for her top, we're gonna start here and curve like that. So make a kind of like a curve going towards the left. So yeah, right there. So that's the top of her that she has. And let's actually work a little bit on the top. So we have the center of her top. We're gonna have that go down. And so we're gonna make a few curves. Let's make 3 curves and then going down, or you can make one big curve going down this way and one curve going down that way. But I'm gonna make 3. I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 1, 2, 3. So you decide to do one big one. Yeah, beautiful. Looks like a heart. And then let's connect these two parts. It's like a V shape, so we're gonna go.
It will look like a heart.
Yeah, I'm gonna connect these two parts like that, but a V curve.
Hearty.
Yeah. Oh, look at yours. Yours is like a perfect heart. Okay. Now what we'll do is let's work on the tail. So for that, we're gonna draw, let's do this, the left side first. So for that, we're gonna draw a curve that's gonna go down and up like a letter J, okay? So watch, we're gonna go down and up, like that, okay? So curve to the left a little bit as you go out.
Here.
Yeah, that's good. And then curve to the left. Down and make the letter J. Yep. And now we're gonna do the same thing on this side. We're gonna curve this one, and it's going up.
It doesn't need to be so low.
Yeah. So we're gonna
It
do
could be kind of high.
this
low.
one's going down. Hold on. Okay. And so for yours, what you want to do is you want to start here, and you want to make a curve, a pretty big curve, and go down, okay? So make a big curve.
Right here?
Yeah, a big J curve. The same thing, going down and up. Connect that, okay? Good. All right, since we're here in this area, let's just draw the tail of the mermaid, okay? And then we're gonna go back up to that area. So for the tail, let's basically go up to about there. So let's go up like that and go up, out towards the right a little bit. And let's do this side is gonna be kind of like a curve. It's gonna be, actually I'm gonna start from the top here and curve down like that. So up and
Like
down.
from
So you're gonna be like around there and curve, start here and then curve down and then to the right. Yeah, and then go down about the same, yeah. So it's basically like a fishtail, right? And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go down to about there. So this is like a center point, same as where this center point is. And then go down. And then we're gonna curve, do this curve the same. So what the curve is like, it's basically going down and then up and down. So down, up, down, like that. And then down towards that center point. Okay, and since we're here, let's just draw a few lines here and we'll just basically be done with the tail. So for that, I'm just gonna do a line goes out here and another line here just to show some details. Curve to the right, curve to the right. And then do the same thing going on the left side. So line curving that way and another one curving that way. How about we go back up and finish the arm? For that, let's do on the left side. Start right here at that point, right there. And then let's go down like that. A little bit of a curve down, so that'll be like her thumb. So we'll go down like that. Straight down, and when you get close to the bottom, just take it down, yep. And then here, what I'll do is I'll make like an arm shape. So it's just a curve. And then we'll go in and connect that like that. And remember, your hands can be different. They can just be a circle. They can be whatever you want it to be. Okay, going down this way now. We're also gonna go down like that. I'm gonna stop right here and actually I'm gonna curve out the same way as I did the other one. Okay, and then here we're gonna make also a curve out like that. Okay, and then let's curve this in and this down. So connecting the hand. Beautiful. Let's go back up here to the hair, okay? Because the hair is really important, right? How about we go up here somewhere and we're gonna go like this and just keep going down and making waves. So we're gonna go up a little bit higher and we're gonna cross the forehead. So go up here and then go down like that.
Like up here?
Yeah. It's gonna cross her forehead and just keep going down in a wavy kind of movement. What we can do is we can take this piece and connect it over here. So let's do something like this. Like that. Does that make sense? Yeah. And remember, if we're going too fast for you, you can always pause the video, finish your part of the drawing, and then press play to continue. Great. And how about we now work on the other side? So what we'll do is we'll go like this, and we'll go like that. So we'll start from that same top point and curve down to the shoulder. Let's
weird.
draw. Yeah, it looks weird for now, but it'll make sense in a second. Let's make another line going also down towards the shoulder. And then let's add some bangs. So for some bangs, we're gonna basically make a curvy shape that goes up like that. and another smaller curvy shape that goes up like that. Let's keep making these curves for her hair. So for that, I'm just gonna start somewhere up here and work my way up. And you can continue working your way up like that. And they can really be anywhere. There's no like perfect way to do this. And let's do another curve, maybe like that. Going, if it crosses like it's touching the arm, then maybe just keep connecting it the other way. And then I'm actually gonna make another line that follows the path. So start somewhere right here and just keep following this path like that. How about we add a crown?
Yeah.
She'll be a mermaid princess?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. How about for the crown, we'll go out like that to the right. Make another line on the opposite side going out like that. And then let's make a curve going up to the top. And do the same thing from the right side up to this top. Okay. And then how about for these top parts, instead of circles, we'll make 3 loops like that. And we'll do the same thing on the left side and on the right side. So we're just going 1, 2, 3 loops. And then if you want in the center, you can add a star for maybe a starfish or a circle or a heart, whatever you want. I'm gonna do a star. For a star, you basically go up, like you just basically make triangles. So
That's
I made
really hard to make. I can't really.
I know, stars are hard. I'm gonna do a star. Do you wanna make another shape? I'll see what you make. Oh, you wanna try making mine? So for the star, you go up like a triangle, and then to the side, you make another triangle. And then we'll do the same thing on the left side. Do another triangle.
An upside down heart.
An upside down heart, and then you make another triangle.
It looks
And
cool.
another triangle. And I'm actually gonna add a few dots here, so it kind of looks like a starfish. Yeah. We can also add a necklace. What do you think?
Yeah.
For a necklace, we can make a curve like that. Some curve below her neckline a little bit. And then I'm just gonna add a few like round pieces hanging off the necklace
I
like
might
that.
want to do it.
You can do a heart and maybe a little bit of a line. So yeah, you can do a heart, you can do a circle. I'm just doing these 2 circles like it's pearls or something. Beautiful.
That's
And
a
then-
heart pearl.
Let's draw a curvy shape that goes down, up, like that to show this is her chest area, okay? For the actual rest of her tail, let's add some of these curves on one side of her tail to show scales. Just like fish have scales, you can draw a few of these little curvy shapes and make them a little bit smaller as it goes down. Make them really teeny tiny curves as it goes down, down, down towards the end of the tail. Does that make sense? So a little bit bigger on the top and a lot smaller as it goes down.
Mine was really
You can add more details to your mermaid if you want. You can add maybe some seaweed, some plants, some other fish, some waves. Really, you know, wherever your imagination takes you, you can do a lot more fun things with this mermaid. We're gonna color it in, so the video is gonna speed up. You guys can color yours in or add some more details and then come back and see how we finished. so here we are with our colored in mermaids. Lila, you want to share a little bit about yours?
Mine was pink and purple, and it's my second and third favorite colors.
Pink and purple are. What's your first favorite color?
White.
White. Wow, very beautiful. And I like how you made yours a little bit different in that your necklace has a heart shape here and your crown has an upside down heart shape. And even your top here has a heart shape. Sounds like somebody likes hearts.
Yeah.
And you can do the same with yours. Your mermaid, make it your own. And we would love to see how your drawing turned out. So please share with us. Take a photo, and the information for how to share with us is below the video. And if you want to see more drawing examples like this, please check out our other videos and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share with a friend. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.